Pitman shortened dictation. Exercise 109 and 110. Start. Here with we have pleasure in forwarding to you several mining market cuttings from the morning's papers, and we hope to add there to within a day or two. Full stop. The old mines have been strongly supported in consequence of the announcement of the success of recent crushing operations, and as the labor cost are likely to be reduced shortly, there is no reason why the experiments should not be carried further. Full stop. You will recollect that we warned you against your extreme hopefulness regarding the possibility of profit from the new workings, but you were sanguine to the point of recklessness. Full stop. Irregularities in the directorship have come to light, and unfortunately our pronouncement as to the minor logical conditions has been imply justified. Full stop. We shall send you a supplemental report later, and will keep you constantly advised of any changes in the situation. Full stop. Para. I am sorry to interfere with the arrangements for the announcement of the concert season, but at the same time, I am compelled to say that I think the form proposed is not likely to have the effect of introducing new members to the society. Full stop. I fear the psychological effect of the wording of the circular, which is more like a command or instruction than an invitation. Full stop. I think it will provoke a feeling of resentment in the minds of those whom you are addressing, and at the same time convey a false impression. Full stop. I am conscious of no selfishness in communicating with you on the matter, because it is quite immaterial to me whether the membership is large or small. But as the instructor or conductor of the chair, I must, in self defense, warn the committee against a possible misconstruction of their circular. Full stop. I think you will be able to induce them to change it. Full stop. I have been wanting to see you for some time, and if you will call some time during the coming week, I shall be glad of a little conversation with you. Full stop.